if you look inside, you can see this is how far back our deck is. This line here.
Oh, nice.
So that'll be upstairs. This will all be deck.
Yeah.
This will be kind of cool.
Oh, okay.
And then these are our ceiling lines.
Nice. Yeah, I think these are good height.
Me too. So the main goal today was to get these second floor joists up so we can get the floor sheeted, and we'll call it a day.
It's time to sheet the top floor. Let's do this. I won't be doing anything. Just filming.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Sweet. This is that jock stop.
She knows how to dance.
We're checking out the second floor.
Oh,
It's
this is
sheeted
good.
and
Yes, we are. We're checking it out.
wow. Hank, get back.
As you is. As you ain't.
Hey,
Have it 2 hours old.
I mean, not that it's...
I only thank you.
5 for 2 hours of old
don't
time
bang me.
for the old
Spank
time
you all day long. I'll spank you all day long.
Yeah, and she grabbed that stick and got behind Papa and just gave him a good one.
Jude.
Good tip in the
That was a good one. Ooh, you better run. Hank.
Give it to Papa!
You guys are naughty. Okay, hun.
Okay. I was just gonna move this thing.
We're gonna film me. We're gonna do a walkthrough of my home.
What do you want me to
My
do?
home. Hi. Welcome to our home. When you first walk in, we're gonna have a big window here. This will be cut out. And then this is gonna be wraparound shelving. I'm pretty sure.
I think it was just on this side.
Well, I know, but
Well, yeah, whatever you want to do.
I think I want to do like a bench
Yeah.
here, and then maybe like, you know,
Yeah, storage,
some sort of
wall
storage.
hangers.
Yeah, but really nice and like custom. And up here will be the stairs. So that'll
the
sit
stairs.
here. So the stairs will be, what, 3 feet wide? 3.5?
30, yeah.
And then you'll walk up the stairs, turn and walk there. So like, as you can see,
Yeah.
that'll be
Stair
upstairs.
opening.
So walk in, turn left, you have a pretty decent wide opening here. Then you'll turn left and come into our bedroom.
That's a
or
right.
Turn right. And this will be a slider. We'll have our bed there most likely. And then this will be our closet, which is pretty decent.
Hey, go play with your sister.
And then if you turn right here, this will be our bathroom. Double vanity. And then here will be a little, this will be a pocket door. Here will be shelves all the way up for storage. Probably have some baskets, make it really nice and organized.
Yeah.
And then in here, so pocket door, toilet right there, and then a bathtub. Because you need a bathtub when you have kids.
Oh, for sure.
And it's nice to
Yeah,
take
for
a
you.
soak.
For sure.
I like to soak.
I don't take baths. This is our laundry room right here.
Oh, yeah, true, you're right. It'll be a stackable washer and dryer, and then we'll probably just have, it'll be tight.
Yeah.
And we'll just
And
have
it'll be
some-
low ceilings because the stairs will be climbing.
Yeah, so the stairs will probably be,
No, higher.
Higher?
I know, yeah.
so yeah, that'll be the laundry room. And then this will be Hank's room, and this will be, well, we haven't decided. We might
That's
have
what-
this
that'll
be
be
the
nursery.
room, nursery.
Mm-hmm.
June said she wants to share with Heath, so it might be Heath and June's room. But then we
This'll be
also
Hank's
might be
room.
Hank and June's room. We don't know yet. So this the smallest room. This is, you know, still a good enough sized room for a kid with a actually
Closet.
a really
Big closet. So the kids could share that.
Yeah. This is Hank's room. You walk in, and then this will be. This is my favorite, one of my favorite parts of the house. I've always wanted a ginormous picture window, just floor to ceiling, basically.
So it'll be a picture window,
awesome.
won't open.
Picture window, yeah. Can't beat that. Okay, so we're thinking bunk beds here, or maybe even what I've seen that's really cool, Jordan,
Mm-hmm.
is Murphy beds, double Murphy beds. So it folds up into the wall, and then they both fold down, so it's like bunk beds, but it's a
Double
bed.
Murphy bed? I've never seen such a thing.
Well,
Did you see that? Are you making that up?
I think I saw it, unless I just saw it in my mind.
We're gonna insulate every single interior wall. The exterior walls, of course, that's normal. Interior walls out for sound. And then up here, we're gonna be doing something called RC channel. It's a little metal piece that is kind of hooked. And it's a channel that runs along your floor joist like this. And it's what apartment complexes use to keep sound from going from upstairs to downstairs. So we'll do a little RC channel and then sheetrock with insulation, of course, in the cavities. And then that'll help, hopefully that'll help with sound, deflect the sound before it gets to, so when you're downstairs, you know, in your bedroom, you're not hearing people running around upstairs.
Yeah,
That's kind of the goal.
as much at least.
Yeah, that's our deck.
Yeah, so that is our
So
deck.
my interior.
Yeah, it'll go cantilever out a little.
That's pretty much it. Downstairs.
Pretty much it for the
And then
downstairs.
the second floor will be done tomorrow.
Yeah. Cool, babe. So awesome.
Yeah, I mean, this is huge.
The licorice in your mouth.
Oh, cute. Hank, let's see your walk.
Hold your guitar.
Well, here, let me
Like
back
that.
up.
Now go like this.
Okay.
Now go like this.
Oh, no.
Now go like this.
Cute.
Like this. This way. 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 This way.
There you go. You got it.
Now go like this.
Oh.
She's like, yeah, here, Dan. Oh, there you go. Oh.
Oh, that's funny.